There we go. There we go. There we go. Man, look at it. Look. Good. My gold is just fucking melting. What the shit? Gold is just, if it closed below the 50.52, I would have taken it. Trust me, I would have taken that sell. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another trading session here. We're just chilling today for the most part. We have news at the top of the hour, so yep. So we're not busy to take anything. We're not gonna be rushing into any trades here or anything like that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you once again for tuning in. Thank you once again for tuning in, and hope we catch something today, though. Hope we catch something today. A gold drop, though. I mean, look, it broke the wick to the left there, right? It broke the wick to the left there. Like this is this shit. So I don't know. Gold is just on a different fucking scene right now. Yeah, stopped up. Almost, yeah, I have been, bro. Look at that shit. Look at it next week. Yeah, that's gone. Yeah, bro, that's 70, that's 63 points there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I ain't gonna bother with this shit. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. James. Good morning. How are you, sir? Okay, let's do some markups here. Um, well, I'm gonna still mark up gold because we have the 30 minutes here. Target would be down here. And so this 15, ooh, nah, not looking too good though. We're gonna need the last 5 minutes before NYSE open. If we get a bullish closure, right, it would be a support forming on the 5 minute and then a breakout this week to continue down here for 146 points. Hopefully, but I highly doubt that shit is gonna happen with gold. So yeah, look for the 5 minute, the last 5 minute candle to close bullish to create support, break out the support to continue down. Right? It'll be a continuation trade, high probability setup. Alright. But I ain't gonna be paying attention to fucking go. Sorry. Nope. Okay, let's look at why. Our savior. Why has been the savior? Alright, so okay, wow. Wow. This is some crazy drops here. What the fuck is going on, man? Okay, this is wow. Yeah, this is sketchy. This is sketchy. So we're gonna look at sales from across here. Yeah, I think that's appropriate here. Yeah, we're about, yeah, 70 points away. Yeah, that's appropriate. Yeah, that's my zone down here. So sales below for why we have sales below 110, 109. That's YM cells there. Possible 1 to 3 here. Alright, that's our sell zone. Our buy zone, however, would be right here. Although I still think it's risky, but it's a big zone above here. Yeah, we could get a 1 to 2. We have a 1 to 2 zone here. Not bad. Yeah, these are our levels. I'm not gonna take anything like you could take a trade here on the break of this wick here to the left below 158, and then you're going to have, if you take sales there, you're looking at 1 to 1 range, 1 to 1 range. But if you hold it, there's a chance it continue to drop and you get it, you could scale in at um under 109, 110, right? So you could enter here if you're willing to risk it, enter here, then enter lower down. Yeah, demo, sorry, gotta mute you. Yeah, so we could get sales below here potentially, but I'm gonna be waiting. I'm not gonna take this aggressive sales. My sales is gonna be below 110, right? So you guys could take sales there if you like. I'm not really interested in that. All right, so we have this range here. For me is 136 points range. It's a very big range. Very big range. All right. Okay. Next, let's look at NQ. Yeah. Let's see what NQ got here for us. Wow. NQ look like shit. Okay. So sell level here. I mean, it's easy to mark up. I'm not gonna bullshit myself here. This is all-time highs. Ooh, there's a wick to the left here. I'm not gonna bother with it. Once we break this one here, we should be okay. Yeah. Let me just look at this in a little more detail. What do we got here? Ooh, that was the wick fill area. Okay, this is the high. Okay, and this was the gap. Oh, okay, this is interesting. This is interesting. So all this is the gap. So the gap already been filled, which is important. What's this highs here? Oh, this is not good enough. This is only 30 some pips, so some points. This is the all-time high here. Not is this all-time highs? Oh, it's not. That's what I'm saying. Okay, good. Yeah, I was about to say. Okay, so we have some highs here to take. Um, but hmm, yeah, I'm not liking this is the highest one here. This is the highest one here, at least from the hour perspective. Um, this one is going to be okay. Okay. So we have some levels here, but Yeah, NQ doesn't look too good here for me today. NQ doesn't look too good for me here today. Hmm. Yeah, I'm really gonna be chilling today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be chilling today. NQ in a range here for me of 100 pips. I'm not liking NQ. Really being honest, I'm not liking NQ here. I'm not liking NQ here. Not liking it one bit. Mm, we have this level here though. I'm curious about this level. I think this level might be a brick. Um, might have a fake out at this level here. So I'm looking at cells below 943 for NQ and buys above um 44 here. Yeah, that's it. Keep it simple. Sell below here could happen, but the market is a bit too bullish. I don't know. Not liking it. Not liking it too much. Too much. Not liking it too much. Well, we'll see. We will see. Ooh, wrong shit. This one. Yeah, I think today we're chilling today. Chilling today. We're chilling today. Put it on the 5 minutes. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, where is Umar today, man? Haven't seen him. Ah, right. Yeah, probably. Probably. Is the session been good, huh? All right, 1 minute left, guys. Ugh. Lock the fuck in. Lock the fuck in, guys. Again, I'm really gravitating more towards YM today. Gold is like shit. Like yeah, I mean gold could based on the 15 here, you could get buys on gold, though. Yeah, it's a 100 point range. Okay, okay, so we had a week. Okay, break of the highs there on YM could be really good. Um, okay, breaking the highs here on YM. Okay, wow. Okay, this is a bit wow, a little late there on YM. I'm a little late there on YM. I'm a little late there on YM, but let's see what we get here. A little late on YM there. Yeah, I think this is yeah. little late there on YM. Okay, so see, notice NQ wick down here, right? This is what I was looking at. That wick down here, and we take the others to go up, go back up. Okay, YM here on the other hand, hmm, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait here for YM. See what it does. See what it does here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I mean, on YM. That flip there was, yeah. Wow, though. Maybe I should have waited for news, bro. But that flip, we took the highs there, flip, break this wick to the left here. Like, yeah. And, and yeah, I have to be aggressive on the stops. Yeah. Maybe just scale in here. Um, turn on YM. Oh, wow, I can't scale in. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. What the hell? What the fuck? That was quick. And I tried to skip. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, this is. Yeah, wow. That was fucked. That was quick. What the fuck? I tried securing. What the fuck, man? Yeah, I'm not. And she was a bit late here. Yeah, yeah, I would have been stopped out there. Yeah, and she was a bit. You entered at the break of the low, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You get that aggressive entry. Yeah. Oh, good, bro. Bro, if you entered, god damn, you had like 3 hour there. 1 5. Oh, right here. Oh, right here, man. Yeah, right here. What you got a 30 pip stop loss? 30 point? Ooh. Yeah. Unfortunate there. Unfortunate there. Man, that shit was quick as fuck though. God damn. Yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling here still. Same. I was up 2 hours as well. I was like, okay, fuck. Let me close this shit. I saw 500. I'm like, oops, okay. And then just gone. Oh my God. I mean, I was about to scale in too. I tried to scale in on this thing. I couldn't even scale in on this shit. I think it's because my shit went back on 2 grand. Man. Yeah, we have that news today too. So, um, at 10. We have the news at 10. We have the news at 10. So, hmm. Man, YM gave us that fucking move though. YM gave us that move, man. Let's see this closure here. Just may have to wait. I know today would have been a long stream. Every time we have news. Okay, NQ is giving a nice close here though. This is a nice closure here on NQ. I still will wait on the break of the low. What do you think? I think I'm gonna wait for the break of the next low, not the current low though. You taking it on the current low? Yeah, not. It's a bit too iffy for me right now. I'll take it on the break of 943. Yeah, I'll take it on the break of 943. It's a nice closure. So really, okay, there's the break. Let's see if it's going down. Yeah, yeah. It's a nice aggressive entry, but yeah, I mean I'm break even, so mm, NQ, what are you doing? I'm in on NQ here. I'm in on NQ. I'm in on NQ here. Aggressive stops. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we can get here. Yeah. Based on what happens here, I just made trade what's it? The 100K account after. Based on what happens here during news. Let's see how. Mm, not yet. I didn't enter the break of the previous candle. I entered on the break of my low. Yeah. So approaching 1 hour, almost there. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, if YM closes bearish, we could also enter on YM on the breakout that low down there. Mm, mm, okay, yeah, there is a YM falling as well, so that's good. That both of them moving together here. That, that's really good. So let's see. Yeah, YM continuing down. Yep. Ooh, yep, yep. Yeah, if YM closes anyway inside down here too, yeah, it will be a good trade. It will be a really good trade, yeah. I don't think I'll be able to enter on that. Gold push up, by the way. Gold push up. Gold pushed up 100. Hmm? Yeah, gold gave the push. It wasn't a clean one, but mm, no bottom wick as well there, so there's that. Break of this, yeah. I'm going to enter on why I'm here, but yeah, it's struggling, but I'm leaving it to do its thing. I'm leaving it to do its thing. Like, should I break even it and enter on YM? YM is looking good right now. YM is looking really good right now. So wick up here, break the low. YM is looking really good right now. The close is not bottom wick though. So I'm curious about that. Yeah, let's see what it does here. I'm leaving it to do its thing. I'm leaving it to do its thing here. Yeah, I'm leaving it to do its thing. 5 minutes left for the 15-minute closure. That would be a big closure as well too. Ooh. No, why am I still pulling up, man? But you know, once that flip comes in, If it comes in, if that flip comes in, you know what happening, right? Yeah, so it might just come in for news. It may just come in here for news. Yeah, it's not there yet. Don't. Another break even. Okay. Yeah, today. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, man. Shit. It's unfortunate. Yeah. Yep. 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 All right. So we basically done 1 hour here today. Man, that fucking YM trade, bro. That YM trade. Mm. I guess we wait here until news. One of those days. One of those days, man. One of those days. One of those days. One of those days. Yeah, guys. So, in the meantime, while we're waiting here for news to come in the next 15 minutes or so, you could drop a like on the video if you don't mind. If you like the content, that is, drop a like, subscribe. Yeah, let's get it up, man. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. I appreciate everyone that has dropped in so far. Yeah, and those that stick around. Ooh, this is YM is. Ooh, yeah. YM wants to do something here that is very tempting. Mm, 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 mm. Man, it's crazy how we missed that TP on YM though. Yeah, that was unfortunate. Yeah, that would have been too hard. That was unfortunate. That was unfortunate, actually. Yeah, yep, 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 yep. Okay, there's the 15 closure. Nothing here. We close below the zone here on NQ, but we could get a weak fill. Could get a weak fill here on NQ. We close below the zone here, but I'm just gonna wait until news right now. Just gonna wait until news. So you could get an entry here, drop, fill the week. That's like what, 1 hour at least. Could get that type of trade, but we're gonna wait a bit. Yeah, the news is not anything major though. It's consumer confidence. It's not that big, but we still haven't got anything here though, regardless. So the only thing I could see here is possibly the flip here, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I want something clean. I want to see something clean here. I wish to see something clean. Mm, yeah, so that's the 15 and the, yeah, 15 and the 30 minute, yeah. So a closure under here, we already got the closure under here on the 15. We need the closure under here on the 30, next 12 minutes. So if we get it, we could anticipate movement to the downside as well. With the volume from the news, yeah, all that good shit. I'm gravitating more towards YM though, as usual, I guess. Yeah, as usual, I guess, man. As usual, I guess. Yo, demo. Yeah, yeah, here I know, here I know. I hear nothing you said there, bro. Your mic is still fucked. Your mic is still fucked. Yeah, the market has calmed down. It hasn't like really moved though. Which one? Oh yeah, yep, yep. That's the range there. So it's clear consolidation here on the 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Demo, you're muted again. That shit is nope. Yeah. Yeah, that's clear consolidation here. Like, look at this shit here. This is consolidation. This is pattern. Any pattern, chart pattern, is a consolidation. Right? So hopefully by the time it's ready to breaks out, it's news. And we could get entry here, actually. Let's see. For NQ on the other hand, I mean, the pattern is not the same here, but it's similar, right? Still buys above that zone because all I'm seeing here is like prices in this area here, and then we have a steep ass fucking shit here. So, right, yeah, that's all I'm seeing there. I ain't seeing nothing really interesting here on NQ unless we close above this area up here. Not close, but break above 44 here. So yeah. For now, we're chilling. For now, we're chilling, man. We're big chilling. We're big chilling. Let's wait for that closure. This is where you have to sit on your hands, man. Be patient. Wait for something clear and decisive. Clear and decisive, guys. Mm, 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 mm. Do, do, do. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so let me do this shit still then. Mm. Okay, something clear is starting to show up here. Moving bullish. Very bullish here. Very bullish here. Now on the 100K combine, could possibly get an entry. But we're waiting still, we're waiting still. There's a zone here that there's a little zone here that you could possibly get an entry from. But again, it's small because you have this main zone up here, which is the better zone. Like this would be an aggressive entry to break out this level here, but still risky, man. Still risky. Um, do we enter before news here? This would be NQ. NQ haven't moved like this. Closure would be, ooh, this would be a strong 30-minute closure as well. Hmm. This is a, oh, this is a 4 hour wick as well too. 4 hour candle close as well. So I I may enter on this actually. I'll wait for a double break of some sort. Mm, wow. Yeah, I don't like that push up now. I ain't like it at all. I ain't like it. I ain't like it at all. I ain't like it at all. You in, bro? Yeah, I don't like that push up at all. We may just have to take our L today, man. We may just have to take our L today. I don't like that push up. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. It's not gonna give us a pullback. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. And I don't like it. I really don't like it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. That week is important, man. That week is important. That week is important. Again, the closure of this current candle will determine a lot because it's the 4 hour closure. So if we get a bottom wick and break those highs, we definitely would have a high probability setup here. This is a 30-minute area here. So once we close above here, we give a nice steep wick This is also a 1 hour high. Once you close above this zone, give a nice bottom wick, maybe preferably tap the levels here and continue pushing up. That would be ideal here for us. That's on NQ. YM on the other hand, yeah, yeah, YM is not looking too good. That's a rare one for YM though. That's rare for YM. Mm, yeah, yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. Pre New York, it moved a whole lot. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Yep, I mean, yeah, hey, gold moved so much last night. You don't think he's gonna move again, right? Like when the first move happened, when I entered the gold trade, then the second part happened. I'm like, God damn, I can't believe this shit just kept pushing last night, bro. I mean, it's gonna keep going up, of course. It's gonna keep going up, but yeah, yeah. YM actually moved a whole lot already. YM actually moved a whole lot already. What we want here right now is close above here, bottom wick created. We need a bottom wick because this is the start of the 4 hour candle. If we don't get a bottom wick here, then it doesn't make sense. It's too risky at that point. Although we have news and news can make it shoot up, right? It would be nice again, would be really nice. I Yeah, ideal scenario here would be a wick down, maybe break the previous candle low and break the highs here. Ideally, that's what we would like here. That's the ideal setup here. All right, 30 seconds left. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. See what YM gonna do though. I'm interested to see what YM does. All right, let's see here. Let's be quick about it. Okay, there is the breakup. There is the wick down. We wouldn't like a steeper wick than that, to be honest. I mean, this is not bad, but yeah. Okay, this is a lot better. This is a lot better. I'm gonna have a buy stop here on NAS. Um, yeah, break up the highs. I'll have a buy stop here on NAS, break up the highs. Final trade. Final trade. Why am I doing nothing? Final trade. Yeah. Yeah. This is a nice closure here on Wine, but yeah. Yeah, that minor news here wasn't nothing. I think today was just a bad day. I think today was just one of those days, man. What today is Tuesday? FOMC tomorrow too. God damn. FOMC tomorrow as well. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Eh, I mean, that's it. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah. One of those days, man. One of those days. One of those days. This trade may run for a long time. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a heavy push here. I don't think it's gonna be a heavy push at all. Okay, so why make a steep wick and it's coming back to break those lows? Believe it or not, I have more faith in YM. Believe it or not, I got more faith in YM. We didn't close beneath these 30-minute lows here. We didn't. We have 1 hour lows here. But if it break those lows, it could continue down. Yeah, I think today is I'm not even sure if I want to be in this NQ trade here though. If I'm being honest. Yeah, yeah. First 5 minutes is about to. Mm, yeah, it's been consolidated in 1 minute. Do I wait for a double break here? Probably should wait for a double break here. Mm, hmm. Okay. 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 Yeah. Again, Miami is the play. I'm going to enter on the break of those lows here on Miami. And that's my final trade here today, guys. Wow, still got a bad entry. Oh my God. Okay, it is what it is here. That's my last trade here today. Last trade here today, guys. This is a target down here. Let's see what we could get. Yeah, my stop should have been all the way up here, man. You stopped out? Oh, yeah. Seems like, yeah. Yeah, one of those days. One of those days. It is what it is. Yesterday we made like almost a grand, so it is what it is. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that 1 minute, though. I mean, shit. This is a nice 1 minute, though. This is a nice 1 minute. I mean, If it close weak bullish and then break the low, we also could survive. Let's see what we get here. Man, I hate being in trades like that on YM. I can't scale in. Ooh, this is uh it's not bad. It could wake up halfway and drop. But once we break those lows there, yeah, I'm gonna start to manage risk a little bit. I'm gonna start managing risk a little. Yeah, yeah, all of that. Yeah, yeah. Not too worried about it. Not too worried about it. It's YM, bro. It moves late. So it moves late. I'm really not too worried about it. I'm more confident with the YM than the NQ buys. YM moves better late. So even if it may not drop here, okay, this is not a bad closure here. Next 1 minute. Entry is late though. I kind of pissed about that late entry. Yeah. 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 My entry is like 8. Yeah. You out? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. See, I think that's it for us here. That's it, guys. It happens. It happens. Wow. I'm still in. If it drops it, that'd be so awesome. If it drops it, that'd be so awesome. But yeah, guys, this is it, yeah, man. This is it. This is a part of this. This is yeah. This is trading for you, man. This is trading for you. So yesterday we was up almost a bang. Today we're down like half of that. So it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Tomorrow we have FOMC. Market may be like the same thing here now. Tomorrow. Um, but we're going to be trading FOMC though. I may not stream it, but yeah, I'm gonna be trading FOMC. So on Thursday you're gonna see the results of that. But yeah, this is it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Um, remember drop a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave a comment. You know, yeah, we here. Peace out.